All right, today's topic, Fiat 500 Abarth fuel economy. Souped up Econo box from the factory. Right there. Let's see if I could crack 35 miles per gallon. I'll drive it like an Econo box and not a wannabe performance car. On the drive home, I'll drive it the fun way. 91 octane recommended, 87 octane minimum. Even with these fuel prices, gotta roll with the 91. Take care of my car. 120 mile drive, an hour 59 minutes. Hopefully I don't get traffic. It's still pretty early. 8:12, everything's reset. About to pick up a car right now. Okay, just got on the freeway, 70 miles per hour cruise control, right at 3,000 RPM, 27 miles per gallon, but we're only 3.3 miles in. I know this car, I'm gonna get about 33 miles per gallon. I'm going to behave. I really want to floor it right now in this tunnel. On the way home I will. Behaving right now. 32.7 miles per gallon. What did I say? 33 is what I'm expecting. Top gear is 5th gear in this car. Cruise control. About to hit a mountain grade. Check this out. It's gonna hold speed because it's gonna tap into the turbo. See the turbo building up boost. No downshift needed. It's a great engine. If you know what it's like to drive a underpowered manual, you know you have to downshift to maintain speed. Not in this car. Just calls on the boost. I'm headed to Rialto right now, driving from San Diego. Last weekend, after work, I went straight to Rialto in my van, slept in my van, and then I woke up at Cracker Barrel, and then went to 2 dealerships, looked at 2 cars. So one of the cars I looked at, I'm picking up today, hopefully. The reason I'm getting it today is because they had to fix the AC. Hopefully everything's good. They're not open tomorrow. That's why I'm picking it up today on a Saturday. And then me and my friend are gonna pick up this car tomorrow. I really wanna test out the car I just bought, make sure it's gonna make it to San Diego. I even asked the dealer, like, okay, if this car breaks down on my way home to San Diego, you're gonna take care of me, right? So yeah, that's why I'm leaving this car in Rialto overnight and taking my new car home. So I had no reason to take my van. My van gets 14 to 16 miles per gallon. I'm not sleeping at Rialto overnight this time, so let me take the fuel efficient vehicle. 36 or 37.6 miles per gallon. If that's accurate, I'm really happy because I'm predicting 33 miles per gallon going 70. If I drop the speed to 65, I get like 45 miles per gallon. A lot better because this thing cruises at a high RPM. It's only a 5-speed, so at 70, I'm at 3,000 RPM. And you saw it earlier, when it needs power, instead of raising the RPM, needing a downshift, it just calls for some boost. I've had this car since 2018. It's a 2015, and it's been as reliable as a Toyota. 101.2 miles in. First traffic. Almost had a clean run. 38.3 miles per gallon. And I only used 1 block of fuel so far. This thing measures fuel by blocks. So looking good. Okay, this last 20 miles, it's been really congested. Lots of cars on the freeway, lots of slowdown. So speed's a little lower, 66 instead of 70. According to the computer, I have almost 300 miles of range left. 38.5 miles per gallon. 122.8 miles traveled. As always, we'll get the actual fuel economy numbers. 5.4. That's amazing. 2.962 gallons added. I'm Asian, so I like math. 122.8 miles traveled divided by 2.962 gallons added. 41 miles per gallon. I thought I was gonna get 33 miles per gallon. This thing is running on point. Is it the intake? Maybe it's the intake. 5.4 high performance. Nice. Let me go somewhere else. I don't want to get copyrighted with this crappy music. High performance is taking off. Let's see if they do a smoky burnout. All right, let me go ahead and reset this. Yeah, according to the predictor, I was going to get 38.5. I actually got 40 MPG going 70. So is it the intake? I'll show you guys the intake right now. Let me head to Cracker Barrel since I'm early. 30 minutes early. Cracker Barrel's crazy right now. I'll eat here after I pick up my car. I'm gonna head back. I'll show you guys the intake right now. There's the intake. Is this how I pulled off 40 MPG going 70 miles per hour? I haven't uploaded the install video yet. I didn't eat breakfast yet. Haven't eaten all day, so I'll go ahead and pick up a snack, then head back to the dealer. They'll be open in like 15 minutes. Leaving my car here for the night. It'll be safe. All right, if you got this far in the video, I'll show you guys what I just bought. Just bought this car. Jaguar S-Type R, 400 horsepower, $6,000. Barely fit my e-scooter. Let's see if the trunk closes. Yep. Okay, I had to drive my new car home because I talked to the dealer and I told him I have a 120-mile drive. So if this thing breaks down, you're gonna save me, right? And he said, yeah, just let us know. I'm like, all right. So I left my car here at this hotel in this room. My best friend, we're picking this up. We're gonna eat at Cracker Barrel. I'm gonna show him this jacked up room right now. Got a room and I didn't even sleep in it. It's the most horrible room ever, dude. I feel like I have AIDS right now. Yeah. You use the bathroom, man? No. You want to take a nap real quick?
I don't even know. Like, I gotta touch the door right now.
I got some sanitizer. But yeah, I got this room just to park my cars somewhere safe. Jesus. I love my car.
I love my car.
I had to check out the bathroom. Look at this place, man. Okay, it gets better. Wow, we're on the beach. They painted a window with the beach.
That's crazy. There's a window. It's a window sill in the beach.
Oh, they really put effort in that. Look at the actual window.
Hey,
I'm getting itchy.
This is where your price point comes in. Look, you got a coat.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
We got coat hanger.
Coat hanger.
I'm getting itchy. Let's go.
Oh, Jesus.
All right, Cracker Barrel. And this guy was here last week. Does this guy live here? I'm gonna live at Cracker Barrel. No rent. Yeah, steak for breakfast.
It's a nice looking steak.
It is. I'm gonna live at Cracker Barrel in my van, so I could eat like this all the time. If you live at Cracker Barrel and you get bored, they got all kinds of toys. It's a tourist trap.